Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Wednesday, May the 1st, 2013. Here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading for the session so far. The Dow Jones is down 102 points. The CompQ, they're down 26. The Russell 2000 is down 18.5 points. S&P is down close to 11 points. We take a look at the volatility index, which has been rising steadily throughout the session here, up 95 cents. Commodities are weak across the board. They were weak this morning. They got worse going into the session. Here, oil index is down $17.42. The XLF, the financials, they're down 15 cents. So let's go ahead and take a look to see what took place so far in the morning. One thing that I wanted to show you guys real quick, if you have not tuned into our Facebook page where I posted this chart up, you can follow us on Facebook at Wall Street Trading. I highlighted the fact that we were in this nice little rising wedge going into today's session, and so far we are breaking down out of that rising wedge. See here, we're currently trading on the ES at 1582. All right, when we posted this was at 1592, and we're at 1582. So we're at this level right here. This is the hourly chart, by the way. If we break below 1582, some levels to watch going forward: 1580, 1577, and 1574. If they were to knock us down, all right, we definitely got to respect this pattern right there. And actually, let me show you guys an updated chart of that right now real quick here. Give me 1 second. All right, and the updated chart of that action looks like this. Okay, you can see the next levels to watch here. All right, I got all my lines on here and stuff, but next levels to watch, like I said, is going to be 1580. Watch the 1577, then watch this 1574 level down here if they were to knock us down. This whole 1582 area that we're currently trading at right now is actually a decent level. That level came from the breakout that we had right here from before. So keep an eye on this. If we hold this 1582 level going into the Fed announcement and they announce whatever they have to say and we're above 1582, it might be a buying opportunity. All right, we'll have to wait and see. But keep an eye on that 1582 if we do hold that level in the afternoon session, okay? We bounced off that level pretty strong on yesterday, and that was the initial breakout level from Monday. All right, anyway, back to today's action here. What took place on the market. You got a 15-minute chart here. We made new highs on the ES for the year 1595 half. Then they consolidated us in this nice little consolidation range right here between 1593 half and 1595, and we broke down. All right, that selling continued into the morning session. We rallied up here, and then they just broke us down again out this little kind of descending triangle or failed bull flag, whatever you like to call it, right there. And then we're bouncing at the 1582. So again, those are the levels to watch in the after going into the afternoon session. We have FOMC coming out at 2 o'clock. All right, we take a look at some sectors that are performing to the downside, that are trading down today. Biotech, a lot of profit taking going on in the biotech sector. You got change from open on the XBI is $1.80. That's the ETF for the biotechs. You have transports there at the bottom of the change from open ETF list. You also have the financials. Near the top of the change from open ETF list, you have your inverse ETFs, of course. TZA, the Russell 2000, has been showing relative weakness compared to the other indices. You have TLT at the top of the list, up 73 cents from the opening price. And then you have XLP, which is your consumer staples. And then you have your XLV, your healthcare stocks. And then you also have your, so that's what we have going on right there. With the VXX up 15 cents from the open, recovering from the lows. Actually, it's been trending up the whole day, matter of fact, here. All right, so we opened up at, say, around this 1388 level, and we're currently trading at 1441 on that volatility ETF. As far as stocks goes, we're watching Facebook today. As Facebook has earnings after the bell, that stock is going to be in play today. All right, so let's bring up Facebook real quick to see how that's trading. All right, and you can see Facebook. Key level to watch on Facebook from this morning. Let me put the pre-market information on here real quick. All right. So you can see Facebook was trading at 28.20 this morning. It sold off here into the open. Got a nice little bounce around this 27.60. All right, sold off some more. That acted as resistance, 27.60. Trapped some shorts that try to get short below this little low, the day break below 27.40. All right, and now we're above that 2750. You really want to watch that 2750 level. You can see the price action is kind of trading above and below that level right there. Above it, they're buying it. Below it, they're selling it. So keep an eye on that 2750 level. And that's about it. We'll have some more levels to watch going into the earnings. And to find those levels, again, you go to our Facebook page, Wall Street Trading, or on Twitter, where you can follow us at Wall Street Trade. That is WALLST Trade. All right, another stock that we were looking at today is the CHK. All right, not much action in the stock. I mean, the stock sold off. Um, not much action on our end. We're not really trading that much the stock that active, but got a nice little bounce off the lows. Bounced right off of the previous day's lows around this 18, $19 area, and so far it's moving back to the top side. Keep an eye on this stock in the afternoon. If it could break over 1940, you have this nice little downward uh, channel right here that's resolving to the top side. If we get over this 1940, this could be another a high base right here, and we'll be looking for a trigger over this 1940 if that happens. So keep an eye on that one. And that's about it, folks. Hope you guys are trading them safe. And we have the FOMC at 2 o'clock, and I'll catch you guys after the bell. Have a great day. Cheers.